Do you want to learn English for daily conversation faster?
Do you speak English?
You can speak English with me.
Do you want to improve your listening, pronunciation, and speaking skills? If yes, then welcome to this new English learning lesson. In this video, you will practice with a 4-part English conversation exercise designed to help you build fluency step by step. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, useful sentences. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Are you ready to train your brain and learn English for daily conversation? Let's get started. Part 1, listening practice. In this section, you will listen to a short English conversation. Pay close attention to how the speakers pronounce words, their intonation, and rhythm. Listen carefully and try to understand the meaning. Don't worry if you don't catch everything the first time. Just listen and enjoy. Let's start.
Mia and Sarah are roommates. This week, it's Sarah's turn to clean the bathroom, but she didn't. Listen to find out why.
On someone's case.
Sarah, the bathroom's messy again. It's bothering me.
Yeah, I know. I'll clean it after dinner.
You said that yesterday and it's still bad.
I was exhausted. I'm not trying to avoid it.
Guests come Saturday, so I'm getting stressed.
Okay. Stop being on my case, please.
I'm not trying to nag. I just need it done.
Fair. I'll scrub the sink and toilet tonight.
Great. I'll wipe the mirror and take out trash.
Perfect. We'll finish fast if we team up.
Thanks. I feel calmer now.
Sorry. Next time I will do it sooner.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Also, let me know in the comments, what daily English conversation topics would you like to learn next?
Great job! You successfully completed the conversation listening and comprehension section. Let's continue to complete your lesson and learn English. Reminder: the more you listen, the better you understand. Practice makes perfect.
Part 2, useful sentences. Welcome to Part 2. In this part, you will learn useful sentences from the dialogue. These are sentences people use in everyday English conversations. These sentences will help you sound more natural and confident. They will also help you understand spoken English better. Remember, learning useful sentences is an important step toward speaking English fluently. You can do it. Let's get started.
On someone's case. Used when a person keeps telling another person what to do or keeps complaining. Example: my mom is on my case about cleaning my room.
Mom's just on my case all the time.
Why are you on my case?
Why are you on my case?
Exhausted. Very, very tired. Feeling extremely tired with no energy. Example: I'm exhausted after a long day.
He's exhausted.
I was exhausted. I'm exhausted.
I was exhausted.
She was exhausted.
It's bothering me. We use this when something is annoying us or making us uncomfortable. Example: the noise is bothering me. I can't focus.
It's bothering me.
It's bothering me.
No, it's bothering me too.
Why does it look like it's bothering me?
Well done! You finished learning useful phrases, idioms, and expressions. Keep going to complete your lesson and learn English. Remember, don't just memorize. Try using these expressions in real situations to speak better.
Part 3, listen and answer practice. Welcome to Part 3, listen and answer practice. In this part, you will listen to some questions about the conversation we just heard. try to answer each question in English. If you don't know the answer yet, don't worry. Just listen carefully and learn. You can pause the video or watch again until you understand everything. This exercise will help you think in English, understand conversations better, and respond naturally in daily life. Take your time and remember, every time you practice, your English gets stronger.
Sarah, the bathroom's messy again. It's bothering me.
Yeah, I know. I'll clean it after dinner.
Is the bathroom messy again? Yes, it is. The bathroom is messy again. Is Maya bothered? Yes, she is. Maya is bothered. Does Sarah say, "I'll clean it after dinner"? Yes, she does. Sarah will clean it after dinner.
You said that yesterday and it's still bad.
I was exhausted. I'm not trying to avoid it.
Did Sarah clean it yesterday? No, she didn't. She didn't clean it yesterday. Was Sarah exhausted? Yes, she was. Sarah was exhausted. Is Sarah trying to avoid it? No, she isn't. She isn't trying to avoid it.
Guests come Saturday, so I'm getting stressed.
Okay. Stop being on my case, please.
I'm not trying to nag. I just need it done.
Are guests coming on Saturday? Yes, they are. Guests are coming on Saturday. Is Maya getting stressed? Yes, she is. Maya is getting stressed. Does Sarah say, "Stop being on my case"? Yes, she does. Sarah says, "Stop being on my case."
Fair. I'll scrub the sink and toilet tonight.
Great. I'll wipe the mirror and take out trash.
Perfect. We'll finish fast if we team up.
Thanks. I feel calmer now.
Sorry. Next time I will do it sooner.
Will Sarah scrub the sink and toilet tonight? Yes, she will. Sarah will scrub the sink and toilet tonight.
Awesome work. You completed the listening and answering practice. You're getting closer to completing your lesson and learning English. Answering questions helps you think in English. Keep practicing. You are improving.
Part 4 Shadowing Practice. Welcome to Part 4 Shadowing Practice. In this section, you will repeat after the speakers to improve your pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Shadowing is one of the best ways to sound more natural in English. Just listen carefully, then repeat each line with the same speed and melody. Don't worry about being perfect. The goal is to train your mouth and ears to speak English more fluently. With every repetition, your confidence will grow. Let's begin the shadowing practice.
On someone's case.
Sarah, the bathroom's messy again. It's bothering me. You said that yesterday and it's still bad. Guests come Saturday, so I'm getting stressed. I'm not trying to nag. I just need it done. Great. I'll wipe the mirror and take out trash. Thanks. I feel calmer now.
On someone's case.
Yeah, I know. I'll clean it after dinner. I was exhausted. I'm not trying to avoid it. Okay. Stop being on my case, please. Fair. I'll scrub the sink and toilet tonight. Perfect. We'll finish fast if we team up. Sorry. Next time I will do it sooner. Congratulations! You have completed the shadowing practice and your full lesson. Shadowing helps you speak more naturally and confidently. Keep practicing with different characters, and you will sound more fluent every day.
In this English speaking practice lesson, you will listen to real conversations, learn new vocabulary, practice speaking, and shadow native speakers, everything you need to improve your English conversation skills step by step.
Thank you for watching. If you want to learn English for daily conversation, I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch more videos to improve your English speaking skills every day.